Leading in uncertain times involves facing challenges that we care about deeply, but that have us unsure about how to make progress. Often we get stuck because not only do we not have the answer, we are asking the wrong questions. In this kind of situation, posing a different, better question can have a catalytic quality, sending energy down a new and more productive pathway. Most catalytic questions work by challenging some limiting assumption or reframing the problem in an insightful way. Working with many problem solvers over the years, I have developed the question burst, an effective exercise for arriving at a better question. You can use it individually or as a team and in any situation, work or life, where you're feeling stuck and trying to imagine new possibilities. If you make the question burst process a regular practice in your organization, it can foster a stronger culture of collective problem solving and fearless truth seeking. Select a challenge that you care deeply about. Check your emotional temperature by writing down 1 or 2 words that describe how you feel right now about that challenge. Invite a few people with diverse perspectives and experiences to join you in the question burst exercise. Or you can even do it yourself, as I often do, using a question journal. Set a timer for 2 minutes and lay out the challenge for your group. Focus on why you're stuck and how things would change for the better if the problem were solved. Now, set a timer for 4 minutes and collectively generate as many questions as possible about the challenge. Try to get 5 questions per minute and observe the following rules. Contribute only questions, not solution ideas. Give no preambles or justifications to explain a question, which could bias the listener. Don't answer any questions. That's for later. Ask short and tough questions, but keep them non-toxic. Listen actively and write every question down verbatim. Now, recheck your emotional temperature and note how you're feeling about the problem. 85% of the time, people feel better about their challenge. Study the questions you jotted down and select a few that intrigue you, offer new perspective, or even cause you to feel a bit uncomfortable. Perhaps you've now glimpsed a productive new pathway. In fact, about 80% of the time, this exercise delivers at least one question that provides a powerful new angle for making progress. Pursue that line of inquiry by committing to a course of action. Get out into the world. Find even more compelling questions that can become your answers. Remember to repeat the process and create increasingly better questions to sustain progress on any challenge you face. The question burst process can be a great gift to your colleagues, your organization, and the world. It can help you find and solve problems more productively, engage with others more deeply, spark the creativity required for innovation, see the big picture, and exert more strategic influence. If we learn to pause in our pursuit of answers, to consider whether we could be asking a better question, then we can foster a culture of fearless inquiry, make surer progress, and deliver wiser impact during disruptive change.